were starving for some more MCU content, and Marvel finally delivers. First episode starts off with this 1950s-ish sitcom theme, and as you guys have probably seen from the trailers, it transitions from era to era, from the 50s to the 60s to the 70s. As you watch the show, there's a bunch of questions that you start to ask. Who is doing this? Is Wanda doing this? Is another villain doing this? Is it Mephisto that's doing this? Or is it that lady Agnes that's doing this? They don't quite give you all the answers, but there's a lot of hints. And some of the hints are actually quite obvious. There's that one part where Agnes says, "Oh, the devil's in the details," but that's not where he only is, possibly hinting to Mephisto being behind this whole thing. But there's also parts where Wanda has complete control over this reality, and she can just rewrite the entire thing. Vision also behaves really differently from how he usually does. He's a bumbling idiot, and Vision is typically not a bumbling idiot, which could be further hinting to how all of this is actually just in Wanda's head. Well, not literally in her head, but how she's actually just manipulating this whole thing. There are a bunch of Easter eggs in just these first 3 episodes, like the Hydra soap thing and the watch with the Hydra logo on it. All that time where Agnes mentions the devil's in the details, probably hinting to Mephisto. For you guys who don't know comics, basically the original story goes a little something like this. Wanda mysteriously has these 2 kids, these twins, Tommy and Billy, when it's actually revealed that they are actually just soul shards of Mephisto. The story gets a bit murky with how they were reabsorbed into him, but then later on they are back again, so it gets real muddled. But I'm pretty sure the MCU is just going to streamline it and just going to give us one concise story. I'm not sure how they're going to introduce Mephisto into the series, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see until more episodes come out. There's really not much to talk about because the episodes are just so short. One episode is literally 20 to 30 minutes, that's it. And I don't want to give too much away and spoil the series for you guys. Overall, I really enjoyed these first 3 episodes. They're really good. The first 2 episodes are pretty sitcom-ish, but this third one, it starts to break down the layers into what is actually happening. Is Wanda doing this? Is Mephisto doing this? Is Agnes doing this? And is Mephisto behind Agnes? We just have to wait and see. Like, comment, subscribe and share, and make sure you hit the notification bell, because if you don't hit it, you're not going to know when I upload. So the next time I post, you'll know and you can watch it immediately. Thanks for watching guys, and ciao.